Hi, I'm Dr. Danielle Riley, principal at Hyatt Park Elementary School, now a Visible Learning Certified School. I'd love to share with you our journey on how our school is transformed by visible learning. It was a thing that, our district had adopted and that we were implementing in the school. And through a ton of professional development with Corwin and really reading about how it's research-based and it's proven to accelerate student learning, I bought into it. And through that, I got my coaches and my administrative team to buy into it. And then we had to get the teachers to buy into it.
Faculty and staff, as well as the administrators, we got together and we came up with learner dispositions, which is to be engaged, persevere, and take ownership. And that way, students are responsible for their learning as teachers are responsible for providing the information. As students are looking at the learning intention and success criteria, their behaviors have changed. They're more engaged because they're taking responsibility for their learning, and they have that visual right there in front of them so they can refer back to it when they're coming to an activity or a task that they need to complete.
Getting just to understand what it is and how much it can transform not just my class but the entire school in general, I quickly adopted it and applied it. I have been using learning intention and success criteria throughout my entire class, whether it's in a whole group setting, small group setting, or whether just to implement it in my harming corner. My students are now able to give and receive feedback in a manner that they're comfortable in doing. They know that when we're doing these things, it's kind words, be respectful. And also, it allows my students to take ownership of their own learning. That's the most important part of it.
It's my hope that we continue on this amazing journey with Corwin and with visible learning, and that our students are assessment capable learners, and that we are sending them to middle school prepared so that they can thrive in middle school, and then when they get to high school, they can thrive there as well.